I change by my pose and look like 6 at a compulsory pass. Asha, Koya. My husband come out Indonesia and up in a skirt to backside. Make sure put this out so everybody can see my Jamaica. Make sure they see you dog at Jamaica in a skirt. Show them your legs. See? You go like you're a bad man and come here in a frock. Make a weird skirt. We're at a temple, so you have to put on them, so you have to come in. Make sure catch him on camera, so every time he could go to Jamaica, go like him a bad man. Yeah. I said, boy, no you missing a skirt. Real man no wear skirt. Boy, turn around and see your body in a skirt. Body flat, man. No, not do it at all. Because you're going to regret it.
Don't post that.
You already the pan live, but don't post it. You must think, say, I just click a video better. Then don't catch you in a skirt. What a go on, beautiful queens, kings, so I go on. With their temple, yeah. Place full of temple, you see. First me ever see so much temple and statue in my life. No, sir. You come in there now, move. Watch out ugly statue. Scary. Oh, a night wish pound of them now, don't. God, no make me dreams to them as thing, yeah. You're frying fish, and boy, I mean that take one right now. Yeah? Okay, yo, give me a second. Just want to walk around. Me need to go with naughty corner. I know me tell him to put on skirt. Yeah. Oh, what me I say about people, them statue. Trust me. Yeah, ugly baba. Watch. Okay, imagine them sitting here now in the house. No, so them I tell me about them I can buy statue for bring home. But like, you must be mad. Me? Statue? Look long this PS statue. Statue. Everywhere statue, my love. And temple. Son are blind me though. Yeah. Come faith. Yeah. You know son not evil. All time my boy fish them wanna fry. A bun and cheese. You understand? When me out here and I feel eat spring roll. Some sitting women I know about. Yeah. Kind of punishment is Easter. Without some real Jamaican food. I'm thinking I will get my crossing. I'll take up myself, but I come with their belly. And I know rice and peas and curry goat over here. No jerk chicken. Nothing like that. You understand me? Pure statue at temple. Yeah, that's statue at temple. And flying dress. I got to flying dress. Might as well I got flying our dress. So I mean we can't get no butter cheese. None of auntie pudding. No real nice Easter dinner. Might as well make a swing. And I think about the troubles and trials. Oh, some fish over there. So yes, it's beautiful out here. They have some really beautiful places. You understand me? I don't know some mistake. I love making a laugh. But I'm enjoying it. It's very hot though. But it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm not lying. I miss me Easter. I miss me Easter food. Tomorrow a Good Friday. If you not today, I feel a Good Friday. Better smell that even one tiki a fry. Not even a tiki. Yeah. Not to mention snapper, you know. Not even one tiki. But I go over there so I go look at the people and fish. I remind myself that I suffer without no fish. Watch yourself, man, yeah. In a skirt. Who got on the way? He match up here. He's sexy. You can't tell him nothing. Watch him. And coordinate well. Take your Miss Birdie bun with you. You know me is not a big bun and cheese lover. I will have for my cheese with bread. It's not a bun person. Let me check out in heel back. Yeah, and scour them. Alright. When I say alright, I break up. Me give my husband, we go laughing. Nah, no behavior. Need for laugh, stush, you know? Ha ha. Space out the ha. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm gonna see if I can see fish then. At least look for some fish for Easter. When I eat it, might as well I look for it. Why not do up so late? Diana, why are you up so late? You know, should I do your bed? Wait. See if we fish them, yeah? Eh? Food or fries, if you know want them to swim there. When I can see them? The water dirty. Oh, see fish? Yeah, see them there? Yeah. That there. Hi Marlene, what a go on? Patricia, what a go on? It's nice, it's beautiful here. Yeah. It's really, really beautiful. But me that take one on a fry fish all well go on. So if me fish them, they're not dead yet. Yeah. So years ago, me see a man in Jamaica in a skirt. I hear so him come from. I must over here and come from. The water too dark, man. Me never eat none of them yesterday. Fish water here too green, my love. Like it with poison, you know. So, I handsome in your skirt. There's a sexy man in his skirt. Sha la 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 la. A sexy man in his skirt. Sha la 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 la. You look at the macho man in his skirt. If me a Jamaica Defense Force and see you and send this a picture, go give them. Then regret it here, them take you in a boy, you're a soldier. Could you? Eh? Okay. Social media newsroom, big up yourself. Margaret Isaac, big up yourself. Mishka, look on you. No, sir. So why you have to put on socks with 4 o'clock? Yeah, my husband is really funny. Yeah. Bad man not just like girl. Then I wear skirt and then I wear crock. Then I wear skirt and then I wear crock.
Come on, man.
Bad man not dress like girl. Which part you want to take a picture of, yes, sir? Okay, come. We can do it. We can do it. You can use your phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Bad man not dress like girl. Them no wear socks and crock and skirt. With the top, give that joke on you. Hold on there.
Okay. Next smile. Change pose.
Change pose.
Change pose. Hold me from behind. Just don't touch me titty then. I understand. Have discipline. You're not scared. I don't want a girl touch me titty.
Okay, super.
Super duper. For some reason, the hug they feel different since in I skirt. He don't feel macho. Oh God. Me that skirt, you know. But I can't see. They wrap me up. Me that shorts. They wrap me up in a skirt for coming at the temple, you know. It looks like still there, and there's a here in Jamaica is after. Yes, it's date. It's 11:11 in the morning. Skirt fit him. Molly, no make you. Me tell him we gonna take you out. At St. Anne. Me make enough fun at him. He was saying done. He was saying done. If me continue, how the foolishness. Okay, I'm gonna tell him about skirt fitting. Me will take you out. Everybody and them in a skirt. Sexy enough him skirting comfortable, baba. And where then go? Where then go and left me? I got through that little gate here. Me too bad, me know. Pay a pitch time I take, you know. A minute, turn on a picture. I wonder if I'm gonna post them one in a nice skirt. Doubt it. Watch out, how you feel hold up gun and in a skirt. You tell me that them two, how you feel do them the bad man pose there in a skirt. You tell me how that go hand in hand. Watch that pose there. Who pose like that in a skirt? Murderer!
Next smile. Change pose.
Change. Go down. You know the yellow pose you always do. Yeah. Go like that.
Okay. Super.
Duper.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, the gate. Okay. Super duper. Tired to take picture, my love. I'm all pictured out. Alright, watch the bad man pose in our nice skirt. This is so funny. Enjoying every minute of it. Pose. Yes, man. Pose. Bad man pose, my husband. Bad man pose. Give me a bad man pose. Give me a bad man pose in your skirt. Yeah. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, no, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Me say me love you so till me love you one more time. Me love you till me buck. Nobody funnier than you. So them little flowers there are things where them burn like sacrifices. Oh. Watch your pose. Me do some video, man. We do some on the road. We're up on a tour. Yeah, we do. Right here? Okay. We do some on the road. Sorry, guys.
Okay, one more.
I pause like 666 at the compulsory pass. Wanna beer with me? Alright, guys, when I go do the swinging dress, I probably come back live, alright? Alright, I go hang up for now. Have a wonderful night, yeah? One more taking my husband a nice skirt. You have nice legs, though, no? You have nice bow legs. Can't give him that. Yeah, he not no ear on his skin. Either. His skirt fit him. You can't bother with me. Watch how ugly sitting here. Tell me say no ugly. Okay. Vanilla would have loved to do a girl trip next time. Yeah, my Vanilla have a girl trip plan already. But I want different country. Me and her go. She and her husband. I think them go Hawaii. You should go on when them go on vacation together. Chocolate take picture, take video. She worse than me. Yeah, she and her husband supposed to go Hawaii. But right now she in the middle of preparing for her daughter graduation in a couple weeks, graduation party. So I think after that they're going to Hawaii. And her and I, we have a girls trip planned for later down in the year. And that's how I'm not going to guess where we go. I'm not giving no clue. Vanana say, you're right. But me and her soon go on girls trip. I just me and Mike this time, she and her husband. And then we're gonna do a girls trip. The statue is not that ugly. She alright. She can go on. She can go on. So alright, my beautiful love bugs. Not bugs like bugs, you know. Like love bugs. See you later here. Have a wonderful night or day wherever you're watching me from here. Love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it. I sweat like a... Oh God. Hot, you see. Hot. Hot. Bye, you here. Love you, no?